Hi, I'm Jackie. I'm one of the service consultants with Nurse Chevrolet Cadillac. Today I'm here to talk to you about tires. Tires are one of the most important maintenance items on the vehicle, as they directly connect the car to the road. As tires wear, you'll find that there's increased stopping distance, as well as less traction. And there are wear bars on the tires to indicate optimal time for replacement. The tire sidewall also will show you the Department of Transportation, or DOT code. This indicates when the tire was created. The first two numbers are the week and the last indicate the year. The information on there also includes a tire manufacturer, tire size code, as well as a plant code. Tires are recommended to be replaced after 6 years, with an absolute maximum of 10 years. During our service visits, where we're performing our multi-point vehicle health check, your tires are rotated and inspected for wear as well as overall health. What we're looking for at that point is we're looking to see whether or not there's any weather cracking in the tire and how deep the treads are still left. Tire rotations are recommended every 10 to 12,000 kilometers to ensure even wear across the tires. If the tire rotations are not done, or a lack of tire rotations, for example, you'll find that you'll have increased tire wear on one set versus the other. You'll also find that you could have irregular tire wear patterns. That being said, an irregular tire wear pattern could also be the result of improper wheel alignment. So wheel alignment is where the tires sit on the road within the specifications set by the manufacturer for optimal tire wear across the tread. Or alignments can be out of adjustment for any number of reasons. Most often it includes worn suspension components or perhaps maybe impact damage. Having the alignment checked on a regular basis ensures that you are prolonging the life of your tires. Ensuring that the maintenance is completed, for example, tire rotations and wheel alignments when required, will ensure that your tires will last you as long as possible.